This is our manual copper strip slitting line in operation. The machine is specifically designed for cutting wide copper coils into narrow strips with high precision. Workers operate the equipment in a well-organized manner, ensuring consistent quality throughout the process. It takes full-width copper coils and directly slits them into smaller-width strips according to exact customer specifications. Strip width can be customized precisely, from a few millimeters up to 600 millimeters or wider, depending on requirements. The entire process is performed in-house at our facility in Zhejiang Province. We maintain a standing inventory of approximately 100 tons of copper materials to support immediate production runs. This setup allows us to respond quickly and reliably to large volume, custom width orders.